Guys, this is what we have. Oh my god, this looks so good. Wow. Welcome to another show with Catting Family. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious corn in the air fryer in 15 minutes. Let's get to it. Okay, first things first, here I have my own salted butter right here. Right here. Now I'll put in all of the spices here. First things first, we have some oregano. Now put in some hot crushed chilies. Now I'll put in some paprika. Now put in some thyme. Now put in some garlic paste. I put in some parsley. Now I'm going to mix it. So guys, now let's marinate our corn. I'll take my corn and put it on this plate. So guys, can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? The name is Catting Family. Thank you guys. So guys, I put in the air fryer for 10 minutes on both sides, and then I'll show you guys the end results. So guys, now let's take over our corn. Guys, this is what we have. Oh my god, this looks so good. Wow. Let's take it off. Now let's taste. First things first, I'm gonna pray. By the way, guys, my hands are washed. Amen. Amen. Lord bless this food, bless it doesn't have, thank for life, thank for everything. Amen. Now let's taste. I'm gonna go for this one. Cheers, guys. It's so good. You guys should test this out. Like, this is actually so good. This is the best corn I ever made. By the way, guys, can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? Thank you. I really appreciate that. Guys, this is actually so good. This is a good breakfast you guys can make, actually. Wow. Love you guys. Bye. Peace.